Before I go, I just want you guys to understand something. Crypto is here to stay. If you really want to be successful in the crypto space, you need to learn, pay attention to education more than the next big thing to buy. If you understand how the market moves, then you are going to have the advantage to outperform the market most of the time. What I mean by understanding how the market moves, you need to understand what moves the market. In this case, Bitcoin is the alpha. Yeah. And if you need to understand how Bitcoin moves, then you need to understand market structure. When you study Bitcoin market structure, it's gonna give you the urge to always look at those altcoins that move alongside Bitcoin or move with Bitcoin. So when you are able to sort out those coins that move alongside with Bitcoin or move with Bitcoin, when you analyze Bitcoin, it's gonna be the same as if you have analyzed those coins. But you're gonna be looking at how those coins are reacting to Bitcoin's price action or movement. If you see that whenever Bitcoin is showing bullish signal on the 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours, the coins are doing the same thing, then you want to go in and buy. But when Bitcoin gets to a key level, like key support level based on market structure, based on previous price action, right? Then you get out from those coins because if say Bitcoin is gonna have resistance there, then that altcoin gonna also have resistance there. You know, this is like it's like a game, right? Like you know the point that you're gonna experience resistance and you are prepared to fight to keep the money that you made. So when you are investing in the market, you have to understand that the market doesn't care about you. Doesn't care about your feelings. It don't doesn't care about whether the coin is the best coin in the world, whether the coin is the best meme coin, the best altcoins, or the best AI coins. The market doesn't care about that. The market doesn't care also whether you've used your school fees, your rent, your food money, or you borrow money from the bank or from a neighbor to buy the coin. They don't care about all of this. What they care is how they can make money from you. This is a business. Those platforms you go to trade, they are out for business. They take fees. When you trade, exchange take fees. And when you trade, you pay fees as well. You need liquidity to trade. These guys provide liquidity and they are out there to grab your money. This is a player versus player game. There is a bull and the bears. They are fighting with each other. And you need to understand when is the time to get out and get in. That's why what I teach here is very important. I take this so personal because I've experienced the moment where I knew nothing. I was chasing hype. I was chasing the next big thing, and I saw how I lose money. But the moment I focus on education, like building a strong educational background surrounding my decisions, s- ever since things has been different. I've been seeing good results. Good result.